We are in the middle of a massive shift in how sales and marketing teams operate. And if you are leading growth, working on GTM strategies, or consulting for businesses trying to scale, this question isn't just interesting, it's strategic. Can AI agents actually replace human sales and marketing teams? Now, this isn't a hypothetical anymore. In my own consulting and product work, we are actually building agent-powered workflows that do everything from outbound prospecting and multi-touch follow-ups to handling CRM notes, writing personalized sequences, and even segmenting and enriching lead databases without human input after setup. So this video isn't about the future. This is about what's exactly happening. Guys, before we get into it, if you are into SaaS, AI, and how modern teams are building smarter, subscribe to the channel. I share deep dive videos like this every week. And in this video, we'll break down what the research says about AI adoption in sales and marketing, what agents are already outperforming humans, where human creativity and judgment still win, what tools and architecture are powering these agents, and most importantly, what this means for the future of go-to-market teams. Let's get into it. Let's start with how serious this trend really is. According to Gartner, by 2026, nearly 45% of B2B sales interactions will be handled entirely by AI agents. McKinsey puts a total value unlocked by generative AI at over $4 trillion annually, with 15 to 25% of all marketing tasks are now fully automatable. And Forrester is calling autonomous agents the next frontier in personalization and account-based marketing. We are seeing three categories of work where AI agents are already making an impact. Number one, intent detection and outreach. Agents that read buyers' behavior and trigger messages. Number two, dynamic funnel optimization. AI rerouting prospects through different funnels in real time. And three, multi-channel content execution. From blog posts to emails to ads, agents are producing and shipping content without humans. So no, this isn't science fiction. It is systems replacing tasks at scale. Now let's see what the industry leaders are saying. This shift isn't going unnoticed by the top voices in SaaS. Mark Anderson says AI doesn't replace salespeople, but it will replace the lazy ones. Dharmesh Shah, HubSpot CTO, said AI agents will redefine what sales enablement even means. They don't just assist, they act. David Cancel from Drift said, we are heading towards a world where your top performing SDR is an agent working 24/7. And we are already seeing this play out. On the Sastra podcast, founders from Copy.ai and Regi.ai share how companies are fully automating outbound emails and campaign workflows. In Market Today's CMO Roundtable, enterprise leaders reveal that AI agents now could do their cold outreach, qualification, and booking. Teams are launching landing page variants in real time, generated by agents based on visitor data. The consensus? AI agents are no longer assistants. They are teammates. Now let's see the strategic foundation from the books and the courses. Books like the AI Marketing Canvas go deep into how AI agents can run campaigns from start to finish. And Duchesne's The Cold Start Problem talks about the network effects and the systems thinking, something we are now seeing AI agents emulate by running automated community engagement loops. In academic products like Harvard Business School Online and HubSpot Academy's AI series, the focus is now on AI for customer value creation, personalization through agents, and agent-powered CRM enrichment and live chat workflows. Even Harvard Business Review and MIT Sloan says it's not just about automation anymore. It's about cognitive offloading. Agents handle cognitive grunt work so humans can focus on strategy. Hybrid intelligence is the name of the game. Now Now let's see the voice from the ground, practitioners and communities. Go to Reddit, Hacker News or LinkedIn and you will hear from people using AI agents daily. Like from Reddit, one person said, my AI SDR booked more demos in 1 week than my junior team member did in a month. Another person said, we use Claude to write, send and follow up on cold emails and it is hitting 50% open rates. On LinkedIn, marketers are showing LinkedIn DMs fully automated by agents. Newsletter generated using Claude and Google Sheet and MailChimp. Real-time competitor analysis agents that monitor price changes and suggest counter offers. But it is not all smooth sailing. Here where agents are still struggling. Number 1, over-automation can kill your brand tone. LLMs hallucinates if your data is bad. Attribution is tricky if you do not set up observability from day one. Still, the sentiment is clear. Top of the funnel and mid funnel functions are already running well with AI agents. Now let's talk about the tools and the stack. Who is enabling this revolution? Number 1, Regi.ai, writing cold emails, creating multi-step sequences. Second, Lavender, optimizing email tone, clarity and personalization in real time. Third, Copy AI, long-form content, outbound messaging, sequence generation. Fourth, Mutiny, website personalization powered by real-time user data. Fifth, Jasper, enterprise-grade content at scale with brand guardrails. Sixth, Humantic AI, personality-based messaging powered by the behavioral insights. What about integrations? They are everywhere. Salesforce, HubSpot, Gmail, LinkedIn, Outreach, and Marketo. APIs and Chrome extensions make these tools plug and play for the teams. Some enterprises are building custom agents using LangChain for orchestration, Zapier for event-based triggers, OpenAI function calling for execution, Pinecone for strong long-term memory and buyer context. So what's mandatory now is the observability, prompt logs, response histories, approval flows, human-in-the-loop controls, and you cannot scale without it. So guys, here is the bottom line. AI agents can handle a major portion of sales and marketing, but it is not about replacing your team. It is about redesigning what your team does. Humans are still needed for judgment, creativity, and relationship. But the grunt work, the follow-ups, the personalization, the summaries, the scheduling, that's where agents shine. And if you lead go-to-market teams, you need to start thinking, what part of our pipeline can be handled over to the agents? How do you design workflows where humans and agents operate like one hybrid GTM machine? The future isn't human versus AI. It's human plus AI. And the teams that figure out this collaboration model first, they will win the next decade. If this gives you clarity on how AI agents are changing sales and marketing, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments how you are thinking about AI in your GTM stack. More deep dives are coming soon. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one.